tonight I'm going to perform a little song that I wrote for my wife. Yeah. It's about, we got a cat recently, and like I always preferred the dogs, you know, and she opened up my heart and expanded my love language to cat person. We used to have a dog. But it died. And I don't know if you're like a dog person or a cat person, but personally, I'm going with the one that's still alive. But I will tell you, between her, my wife, the cat, and that dead dog, like, don't nobody listen to me in my house. It's crazy. No, I kid though. I do love my wife very, very much. It just goes to show that you can still find good people on dating websites. Yeah, I highly recommend Ancestry.com. We have so much in common. So let's do this song. You ready? Your pussy good, feeling soft. What on a tree, I'll break you off. Wait, January 23rd, 2004. Wait, that's my audio diary. Audio journal. Like a regular day, I guess, altogether. That date last night. Oh my God! Like I didn't know I'd like want to be set up on a blind date for my grandma. God, she was just a smoke show. Oh. She looked just like my mom. I think she's the one. Okay. Well, I guess you won't be doing a song. She was the one. Okay. By the way, you know, and I knew it as soon as I ordered chocolate milk with my dinner, and she didn't get all skeeved out. Like, grown men can order chocolate milk, and that's, wait, what the fuck? January 24th, 2004, it happened again. There was a lot of piss this time, too. There's just only so many times you can tell your friends that you spilled on yourself before they stop wanting you in their car. You know, and I gotta get this thing taken care of. I just got to. I don't kiss myself. I'm mother's special little boy. I would never. Audio diary entry, June 28th, 2024. I lied to an entire group of people, friends and strangers alike. Told them that I don't kiss myself. But we all know what a mess it is down there. Like an old man's earlobe, my foreskin has continued to grow with age. It no longer looks like a penis, but now more closely resembles an amputee in long sleeves. Thank you, Audio Diary, for being my safe place where I can express all my emotions and no one will ever hear them. Because I have to get this problem under control. I want to live in a world where I don't have to tell people that I spilled on myself. Oh shit. It appears as though I spilled on myself. You'll have to excuse me. And thank you for your time.